move on and shift our focus to what's happening in the aviation sector. Now, viewers, airlines are also seeking relief from the government. Industry sources have told Times Now that airlines are seeking tax and cost relief. And this is the latest update that we are getting for you right now. Let's go across to my colleague Shefali joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Shefali, jet fuel prices have gone up significantly, and jet fuel prices are actually about 40% of the airline's overall cost. So what exactly are the airlines asking the government to do?
Right. We know that global jet fuel prices have surged 105% since mid-Feb. And now airline operators are seeking certain kind of relief from the government, and they have also said if government does not provide enough support to these airlines, then we can see the aircrafts will be grounded, and not just that, there will be curtail of operations that airlines will be forced to do. Now, what are the demands that airlines have from the government? One, they are asking certain kind of relief from taxes, be it GST or VAT. They are saying for the fuel, GST, the VAT that is implemented is on the percentage basis. So if it is beyond percentage, if it is implemented, there is a certain amount that is given rather than a percentage. That would be a relief for the airlines. Apart from that, they are saying that 18% of GST is implemented on premium economy or business class. They are asking, it's already on the higher tax slab. They are asking it to be on the lower tax slab. Apart from that, they are also asking that the airport charges a hefty amount from the airlines, from ground handling to parking charges. So now they are asking ministry to manage those charges, and ask airport operators to reduce these charges in the Indian airports. Apart from that, we have earlier reported that insurance war risk premium was being charged by the insurance companies to these airlines. And now they are asking government to become a sovereign guarantee, to provide sovereign guarantee to these insurers, to these insurance companies, so that the price that they are being asked, they should not pay for that. So there are many demands that airline operators have. Right now, we do not know what is the response of the government from this, but certainly government has taken all the demands into account and will get back to whatever they have decided on these demands.
All right. Thank you very much, Shefali. Appreciate you joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into a very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.